Paano ba yung inaantok?
Looking at another angle,
the news side. I am Meti Buwan.
And I am CJ Parga.
And we're here at ENYA Manila as another school year brings another exciting episode for you and for our fellow Nationalians.
As we kick off this new school year, we're curious to know what are your reactions during the first week of school.
While the school year starts, it will bring fresh opportunities and challenges to every Nationalian. That's why we're eager to hear their thoughts and feelings for the first week of classes.
To achieve that, we're going to ask our fellow Nationalians to show or act out their emoji of their choice to best represent their feelings and experiences after the first week of classes.
What emoji do you associate with your first week of classes?
Here, tired.
Paano yung tired?
Pagod sa biyahe, tapos pag-uwi mo wala pang lamig.
Same din sa emoji niya na pagod kasi super hassle nung schedule namin. So, yeah.
As of right now, this is the emoji that represents me.
Paano ba yung inaantok?
Kasi siguro nanggaling di ba bakasyon pa. Tapos hindi ko naayos yung sleep schedule ko agad. So ito, nag-abol ako ng tulog ko.
Ito. May pagkaiyak-iyak kasi, medyo kinakabahan, tsaka di mo alam kung anong mangyayari. Kasi first week, di ba, hindi mo alam kung maganda ba or mahirap, ganun. Kaya medyo naiiyak, tapos kinakabahan.
Paano yung iyak?
Mali! Wait lang, mali!
Ito, kasi excited ako mag-second year kasi as per them, masaya daw yung second year. Straight photo! Yes! Akala ko po kasi magiging easygoing itong third year but turns out, na-drained ako sobra and ganito na yung mood ko.
Paano yung mood na yan?
Did your first week of classes meet your expectations?
So far naman po, since na-miss ko rin naman pong pumasok on-site, kasi puro bahay lang din naman ako ng vacation.
Oo naman kasi yung mga prof, matataas yung standards. Nag-enjoy din talaga ako for this week.
Actually, wala akong expectation. Parang bahala na, ganon.
Oo, kasi since first week of class, mararamdaman talaga na mahirap. Tsaka, masihirap pa siya, kaya kakabahan ka talaga.
Yes, kasi yung mga prof ko, especially yung mga majors, medyo bagets pa sila best, tapos nakaka-relate sila sa amin. So, masaya. Actually, no. Kasi akala ko kasi, parang second year lang siya na hirap. Pero grabe, mas malala pala. Mas malala yung puyat today. It's amazing to witness the range of reactions from our fellow Nationalians during this first week of class.
That's right, and as we move forward, let's continue to support each other and make this school year at National University awesome. For more contents like this, follow us and the National. This is CJ Parga
And Eti Buwan
of PNTV. Just witness the news side.